everybody, welcome to FameWord Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in this video I will be moving further with a new Java program. In this Java 19 series, I have already uploaded multiple programs and some concepts. Today we will be starting with the program number 8, and seventh program was the program to swap two numbers using the third variable. So if you have not watched that particular video, kindly watch it. I have already told that how to set the path of Java on command prompt, but in this video, I will again tell you that particular procedure. I have just created one file, pro8.java, on the Atom software. You can use any particular software to work with Java. You just have to set the path. I'm just moving towards the folder where I have saved the programs of like this Java 19. Here, this is the folder Java 19 FameWord Educational Hub, and inside this, I am saving all the programs. So here we have to set the path. You just have to reach towards the folder where you are saving your programs. I am saving my programs in this particular folder. Then come to the address bar and select all. Just select all, clear, and type CMD, that is the command prompt. So the direct command prompt will be opened here. Directly command prompt will be opened with the same path, same location where you are saving your files. Here you can see it is the same path. Now I want to save my programs in this folder, so I'm just going to set my path here. How to set the path? Come towards the C drive here where you have installed the Java. I am telling it on the fast track because I have already told it in the previous videos. So in case you want to watch it in a complete way, please go through that particular video. I'm just coming towards the program files in Java JDK 19 because we are working with Java 19 in this Java 19 series, bin, and I'm just copying this particular path. I have copied this particular path with the Control C, or you can right click and copy it. After this, come back to the command prompt and type here set space path equals to %path %semicolon. Just paste the path which you have copied from there, and in the end just type semicolon and press enter. Your path is set. In case you want to check that your path is set properly or not, just type javac and press enter. Here you can see this long listing proves that your path is set properly. CLS for the clear screen on the command prompt. Now here, I am just going to start with the program, like write a program to input two numbers, or write a program to swap the values of two variables without using third variable. So in the previous program, I told you that how you can do this with the help of third variable. Swap their values using third variable, but now I'm going to tell that how you can accomplish it without using third variable. So firstly, we have to take the input of two numbers. So I'm just taking the util.scanner. So I'm just taking the scanner class. These all things I have discussed in the previous videos. So make sure that you watch it, that how to create a new class, how to take input, how to create object of any particular external class. This all I have discussed in very detail in the previous videos. So please watch it and come back. Here I have just taken this basic syntax, and now I am asking the user to enter two numbers. So here a equals to ob.nextInt because we are working with integer values, and b equals to ob.nextInt. Then now we have to simply, firstly, I'm printing the values before swapping. So I'm writing here value of a before swapping. Then we shall print the value of b before swapping. And then I'm just going to perform the swapping. So I'm just taking a equals to a plus b, b equals to a minus b. Let's check that what I'm doing, how much it is going to work. Then a equals to a minus b. Suppose we have taken this. Let's try to dry run this. So to dry run means that you are going to put the values manually and you are going to check that it is working properly or not. So here I am taking a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Now a equals to a plus b we are taking, that means 10 plus 20, that is simply a equals to 30. Then b equals to a minus b. So now the latest value of a is 30. So 30 minus b, that is 20. So now b is 10. And now a equals to a minus b, that means 30 minus 10, that is 20. So here you can see we have got the swapped values. Like previously a was 10 and b was 20, and now we are having b 10 and a 20. So this formula is going to work. You can do this in different ways. It's not necessary that always you are going to take the same manner what I am doing. You can simply create your own formula. There are many ways to swap the values, but this is also a good way. So here I am just taking value of a after swapping and value of b after swapping, and that's all. So here we have not used any third variable, and now I am going to run this particular program on the command prompt. So here I'm taking javac space pro8, that is our file name, .java, enter, and then java space pro8, enter. So here it is asking us to enter two numbers, so I'm just entering two numbers. And you can see the value of a before swapping, the value of b before swapping, then the value of a after swapping, and the value of b after swapping has been printed. So I hope this particular program is clear to you. In case you have any query towards this program or related to any other topic in Java or any other programming language, you are most welcome to put your queries in the comment section. Please put your queries in the comment section. I will be definitely helping you out. In case you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and stay tuned in this series, because in this Java 19 series, a lot amount of good stuff is going to be uploaded. So see you soon in the next video. Take care.